Dihybrid cross. When two pairs of contrasting characters are considered while experimenting is known as dihybrid cross. When Mendel was experimenting, he considered two characters, that is, color of the peas, that is, yellow or green. Shape of the peas, that is, round or wrinkled. F1 generation. When pure yellow and pure round were crossed with pure green and pure wrinkled, then all the pea seeds produced were yellow and round, that is, Y, capital Y, capital R, small r. As the factor yellow and factor round are dominant traits, the pea seeds produced in F1 generation will be yellow and round. F2 generation. When these seeds, that is, seeds of F1 generation, were self-pollinated, then some plants produced green and round peas, that is, small y, capital R, or small y, capital R, small r. Some were yellow or wrinkled, that is, capital Y, small r, and some were green and wrinkled, which is small y, small r, etc. Mendel's laws. Law of dominance. According to Mendel, the factor or the allele that is expressed in the first generation is the allele which is dominant over the other. This is known as law of dominance. Law of segregation. According to Mendel, at the time of gamete formation, the pair of alleles from each parent get separated and each allele from one parent combine to form the zygote. This segregation of alleles at the time of gamete formation is known as law of segregation. Law of Independent Assortment. While performing dihybrid cross, Mendel observed that the traits or the characteristics appear or expressed in F2 generation were independent of each other irrespective of mixing with each other in F1 generation. That is, if round, capital R, yellow, capital Y, wrinkled, small r, and green, round, small y, are characters that are dihybrid crossed, then the different combinations formed are one. 9 combinations of round and yellow seeds are produced. 1. Capital R, capital Y. 2. Capital R, capital Y, small y. 3. Capital R, small r, capital Y. 4. Capital R, capital Y, small y. 5. Capital R, capital Y, small y. 6. Capital R, capital Y. 7. Capital R, small y, capital Y. 8. Capital R, capital Y, small y. 9. Capital R, capital Y, small y. 3 combinations of round and green seeds are produced. 1. Capital R, small y. 2. Capital R, small y. 3. Capital R, small y. 3 combinations of wrinkled and yellow seeds were produced. Small r, capital Y. Small r, capital Y, small y. Small r, capital Y. One combination of wrinkled and green seed is formed. That is, small r, small y. From the above combinations formed, it can be observed that allele or factor for each character are independent of each other. Law of Independent Assortment. It states that Each pair of alleles will segregate independently during gamete formation. That means the genes for one trait are not inherited together with another trait. Gene. The factors responsible for each trait is known as gene. Allele. The pair of genes responsible for a character is called allele. These are of two types. Homozygous type, which is capital Y or capital R. Heterozygous type, which is small y or capital R small r.